Hi everyone! Would you like to find out more about the services offered by ALLINKLCOM without committing to one of our web hosting packages right away? Then our free trial account is the right choice for you. The trial period of a week will give you the opportunity to thoroughly test our web hosting services without obligations. You will have access to our Customer Administration System, KAS, which is available in both our web hosting and server packages. The ALLINKLCOM trial account gives you 2,500 megabyte of storage and allows you to create up to 5 databases, ideal for uploading your website and testing its full functionality. You also have the option of creating up to 5 email accounts and accessing them via your browser with our webmail or your local email program. In addition, you benefit from SSH access, which we activate for your trial account. Access to your personal test account is available within 1 working day and will be automatically deactivated after 7 days. If you wish, you can of course also upgrade your data and settings to a regular web hosting plan without interruption during the test phase. Have fun testing ALLINKLCOM.